Hello, morning students. Today I am going to explain you chapter 3 for the 7th class English grammar. In the chapter 3, the name of the chapter is gerund and participle. But previous day I have taught you the in previous day I have taught you sentence second. But gerund. What is gerund? What is gerund? The word gerund, the name is modified or explained. It is a noun. Which type of noun? Verb is formed when the verb function as a noun. It is called gerund. When the verb function as a adjective is called the participle. Today I am teaching you gerund and participle. See carefully definition of the gerund. 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 A verb that performs a verb that performs the work of a noun is called gerund. Is called gerund. Example. Jogging is good. Jogging is good for physical fitness. For fitness. See here. A verb that performs the work of a noun is called gerund. वह वर्ब जो नाउन का कार्य करता हो उसको हम gerund कहते हैं. जॉगिंग इज गुड फॉर फिजिकल फिटनेस. जॉगिंग जो है, कसरत जो है, वह जो है फिजिकल फिटनेस के लिए अच्छा है. जॉगिंग, जॉग में आईएनजी लग गया, जॉगिंग बन गया. अब gerund के लिए देखिए क्या क्या चीजें हैं. फीचर ऑफ द gerund. फीचर्स. फर्स्ट, ए gerund इज a verbal form, verbal noun. A gerund is a verbal noun. First. Second feature. Since a gerund functions as a noun, functions as a noun, we can use articles. We can use articles, possessive adjectives. Possessive adjectives. Our word like word like some, many, etc. Next, gerunds can have their own adjectives. Gerund can have their own adjectives. Gerunds can have their own objects. Gerunds. Next, gerunds can be used after some verbs. After some verbs, when the infinitive cannot be used, where the natives cannot used. See here. Again, I am going to explain you. A verb that performs as a noun is called gerund. According to the example, jogging is good for physical fitness. There are some features of the gerund. First, gerund is a verbal noun. First, यह verb से बना हुआ noun है. Since a gerund function as a noun, चूंकि gerund noun का कार्य करता है, we can use article, possessive adjective and some other words. Articles a and the, possessive adjectives my, your, and some other words some, many. These words are also used. चूंकि यह नाउन का काम करता है, इसलिए इसके पहले आर्टिकल का भी इस्तेमाल किया जाता है. नेक्स्ट, gerund कैन हैव देयर ओन ऑब्जेक्ट्स. gerund को अपना ऑब्जेक्ट भी होता है, एडजेक्टिव होता है. gerund को अपना एडजेक्टिव भी होता है. एंड gerunds कैन हैव देयर ओन ऑब्जेक्ट्स, ऑब्जेक्ट भी होता है. gerunds कैन बी यूज आफ्टर सम verbs where infinitive cannot be used. gerund जो है वर्ब के बाद इस्तेमाल भी होता है, लेकिन उसके पहले इंफिनिटिव का प्रयोग नहीं होता है. इंफिनिटिव, व्हाट इज इंफिनिटिव? बिफोर ए टू प्रीपोजिशन इज यूज्ड बिफोर द वर्ब इज इंफिनिटिव. According to, I am giving you example, the 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. See here, first example. Example: the dancing was excess, ex, exceptionally good. Here, see here. Dancing was exceptionally good. Her graceful dancing was appreciated by all. Next example. Hunting animal is a crime. Next, the students stopped talking when the librarian came. When the teacher came. The dancing, the article is used according to the rule of the gerund. The article is used before the gerund. The dancing was exceptionally good. The article is used. Her graceful dancing was appreciated by all. Here, according to the rule, gerund has their own objects. Their gerunds have their own objects, own adjective. Her graceful. Graceful is a adjective. Adjective. Hunting animals is a crime. Hunting animal it is gerund. Hunting animals, जानवर का शिकार is a crime. Noun. It is a this gerund has object. And the students stopped talking when the teacher came. Here, gerunds can be used after the verbs without using the to. Talking. Note. Remember it. Gerunds are ing form of verbs. Form of verbs. that function as a noun. That function as a noun. Adding ing, gerunds, they are made by adding ing, adding ing to the verb. यह verb में ing जोड़ के बनाया जाता है. These are gerunds. verb में ing जोड़ जाने पर verb के बाद में आफ्टर द verb के एंड में ing जोड़ जाने पर वह नाउन बन जाता है. उसको हम gerund कहते हैं. The participle. A verb that functions as an adjective is called a participle. Example: dancing dolls are sold here. Dancing dolls are sold here. Participles are formed by adding ing ing, ed, to verb. To verb. They work as adjectives. Work as an adjectives. There are two kinds of participle. There are two kinds of participles. First, the present participle. The present participle. Present participle. Present participle. First, it is for by adding ing to the root form of the verb, to the root form of the verb. Second, it describes an incomplete action or state. Action or state. Next, it is active in form. Active in form. Dancing girl, example. Dancing dolls, नाचती हुई गुड़िया. Sold here. See here, dancing doll. Doll is a noun, dancing is adjective. So it is participle. First, second, the past participle. The past participle. Wounded. painted. Example, the wounded soldiers were taken home. The wounded soldiers were taken home. Next example, the painted shop was inaugurated. Painted shop was painted shop was inaugurated in the morning. In the morning. हेलो, थोड़ा बाद में बताइए. First, it usually ends in ed, t, d, en, or b. Second, it denotes an action that is complete. Or a state which is over. Next, if the past participle is formed from a transitive verb, it is passive. Example, the painted shop. Past participle usually ends ed, t, d, en और n. It denotes an action is complete, which is over. यह ऐसा बात बताता है कि काम पूरा हो गया. wounded soldier wounded हो गया. painted shop, दुकान painted हो गया. past participle from a transitive verb is passive, या passive form में आ जाता है. In addition to, there is also a kind of participle. That participle is called perfect. The perfect participle. Example: having finished her food, she read a book. It is called perfect participle. Having finished means after finished. Having finished means after finished. क्या आफ्टर फिनिश? अपना भोजन समाप्त करने के बाद वो किताब पढ़ता है. Having finished, it is called perfect participle. So these are three kinds of participle here: present participle, past participle, and perfect participle. So today I have taught you gerund participle. There are three kinds of participle: present participle, past participle, perfect participle. Gerund, when the verb form and acts as a noun is called gerund. Participle, when the verb form participle is formed from the verb and act as an adjective is called participle. There are three kinds of participle: present participle, past participle, and perfect participle. Present participle adding ing, but past participle adding ed, ing also, and perfect participle adding have.